Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. Today we are going to be looking in the clients section, specifically how to add, remove, or block a client from booking with you. Should be a pretty easy one today, nothing too crazy. As always though, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it. If you guys have seen my other videos on importing and inviting clients, you would have already seen how to add a client. Pretty easy. You're just going to come to this client section with the two people here. You're going to go into add client at the bottom right. You're going to go in here and add a phone number. I'm just going to put in a random one. And then we're just going to do first and last. And then you are actually able to go in here and add in other details. The only required ones are going to be the name and phone number. And then anything else you want to add in is down here, including the address. And then the consent would be if they consent to receive marketing communications. We're not going to worry about those today, though. Just going to add this client in. So client added, you can see it's got the first name, last name, and then the other information here. We're not going to get into too much else about the clients. I just want to keep this one pretty focused on creating, deleting, and blocking clients. So I'm not going to get into this other stuff inside of the client menu. So you saw how to create it. In order to delete a client, you're just going to go into the client card. So you just click on them right here. You're going to go to edit, and then you're going to go down to the delete, this little red trash can at the bottom left. Just going to go hit delete on that, and you'll see it's been removed. Might need to refresh that. Okay, so it just got reflected. So we saw how to create, we saw how to delete. Last thing to cover is going to be how to block a client. If you see this little red lock icon here, that's telling you that the client is blocked. If you don't want someone booking with you, you actually don't want to delete that client from your client database. You want to keep them in there, but you're going to have to go into them, and then you'll see client is blocked. So I'm just going to go in, see how it says no online booking and it's red. If I toggle that to green, that person is now able to book with me again. So you'll see that it's been updated and now it doesn't have that red lock icon. Let's go back in again. Once again, top right edit, and I'm going to turn online booking off. Disable online bookings. They will not be able to book with you via Booksy. So disable, save, and then you'll see once again, client is blocked. If I go back, it's going to have that red icon again. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Relatively simple one, but I do see people inquiring about this from time to time, and it's definitely not the most intuitive thing to do since the label for it is not actually labeled as block. You'll have to toggle off the ability for them to do online booking, and that is the functional way to block someone from being able to book with you. So if you guys got something out of this video, if you like and subscribe, that does help me. And if you are considering subscribing to Booksy Biz, the app, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, guys, always appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.